VSR Motorsports. This time we're doing a feature on a 2010 Porsche GT3. We were fortunate enough earlier to shoot a bunch of POV videos on this vehicle, and we've succeeded without any trouble with the law enforcement officers. This particular car, like I said, is a 2010 Porsche GT3. It is basically, for the most part, a street legal race car. Everything you see on it is all high-end components, all high-end performance components. And this particular car also has about $10,000 worth of upgrades to also make it safe at the track. This car also includes, or comes factory with a 3.8 liter motor, and this particular motor has about 435 horsepower. This is also a rear-wheel drive vehicle, and as you'll see in some of the videos later, or in the scenes later on, you'll see that this thing, doesn't matter if it was all-wheel drive or not, this thing holds the road perfectly. So, if you want to see more cars like this and others that we're working on, come like us on Facebook at VSR Motorsports, and you'll be able to see all of the projects that we have working on, and not to mention we're going to work on some special projects that we can also POV for Boostaholics. Thanks, and have a great one. Good. Good. Everything hold?
Should be a red light. Yep.
Have fun.